Hi, this is Heidi with Opticom Tech. I'm just popping on real quick. We're going to do a quick chat and training on the MVM-LCD-1, which is our monitor vibration mount, and then I've also got the adapter for that, which is the MVM-VESA-1A, or MC. Yeah, that's it. Sorry. Having one of those days, guys. But okay, so here we go. First, we're going to go through what comes in the box with the monitor vibration mount itself, okay? So you go through, you've got the mount itself right here, right? This is it, and I've got another one over here that I've already kind of broken down for you to look at. Monitor vibration damping. It's got a side-to-side swivel, and then it's also got a tilt on it. So that comes in the box, and then you've got the instructions, but I'm going to run through it anyway. It's pretty simple. And then you have the box of screws and mounting hardware, as well as the anchors for this, and then the Allen wrench, which we'll go through that in just a minute. So I'll just set this aside right here. So here's this one. I've already taken it apart. It's actually really simple. It's got bolts and an Allen wrench, but so that you know how to mount this. So first of all, you've got the mount here, right? And so you can go side by side on this way. Okay, and then you can also tilt, right? I'll show you on this side. And if I unscrew this, I'm making it look harder than it is. You tilt this way, right? And then you can tighten it up to whatever angle you actually want this to be at. So I'm gonna tighten it up to do this right here. So before we go any further, so why would you want a monitor vibration mount? So if you don't know who Opticom is, we manufacture industrial products for harsh environments and industrial sites. So plants, facilities, mills, factories, stuff like that, where you've got a lot of vibration. Whether it's from the equipment, external, internal, but it's just heavy vibration, right? So as some of you know, if you're in those environments, you know that vibration over sometimes a short period of time, sometimes a long period of time, definitely wears out electronics and tools that you need every day. So this is why we have this. So monitors being one of those things that with vibration over time, they just kind of fall apart. So we've created this mount so that you can mount your monitor onto it and then mount it to the wall, and it's going to eliminate and decrease some of that vibration that's going to impact that monitor. In a monitor, the most important parts are the actual boards and the components inside. So that's it. And when you talk about industrial versus commercial and things like that, the biggest difference is that industrial is just built to last longer. So the price is a little bit higher, but it's just built to last longer. So I'm not going to get sidetracked on that. So the vibration monitor mount. So what's really cool about this is you've got vibration dampening right here, okay, and then on the bottom as well. So to actually use this, because it looks like, you know, you're looking at it like, how am I going to mount my monitor on this? So I've already unscrewed. So there's a bolt here and a bolt here, and then there's screws on the bottom of here. I've already unscrewed that for time today, okay? So here's how this works. This plate is going to mount to the back of your monitor, okay? And this is going to mount to the wall, okay? So then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to be able to take this, once you've got it all mounted, you're going to have this mounted, your monitor is going to be on here, and you're going to, boom, right here, slide it right into place, right, so that it's mounted, push it down nice and snug, which it'll have the weight of the monitor, so it'll go right down, and then you're going to take a screwdriver, which I've got this tiny little guy I used for today, right, screw the bottom screws right back in here, 1 and 2, and then the top part right here, because you're going to have a monitor on here and your wall's going to be here, it's going to be hard, right, so you want a shorter screwdriver to do this, or the Allen wrench, I'm sorry. This one uses the Allen wrench, right? So it's small, but you can tilt and get a little bit of an angle that you need. So it's really simple to install and really simple to use. We highly recommend it. You know, it's just going to increase the lifespan of whatever monitor you put up, whether you put an industrial monitor or a non-industrial monitor, to have something that's just going to kind of break that barrier, or not break that barrier, but just soften the blow, shall we say, from the vibration over time. Over and over and over, right? So for instance, we do a lot of work in sawmills, and you've got constant vibration from the equipment itself that's running all the time, right? And big logs going and stuff like that. But then you've also got the hard vibration of like when logs are dropping. So not only like through the mill itself, but when they're dropping from one component to another, that's a big hit, right? So there's a lot of other industries that have similar kind of vibration. We do a lot in the aggregate market as well with that vibration on conveyors and things like that. So these kind of work for both of those applications, whether it's a constant steady vibration or if it's just that hard hitting, I can't think of another word for that, vibration that just boom, you have the drop, and then, you know, a minute later, boom, there's another big drop. So again, if you ever need any more information on this or want to know more about our products, want to get a spec sheet, anything like that, you can always go to our website, which is www.opticomtech.com, or you can give us a call, 1-800-578-1853. Thanks and have a great day.